Welcome back to the world of absolute luxury. Today we are looking at more than just a car. We are looking at a sanctuary on wheels. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan series, ultra-luxury SUVs. Rolls-Royce says this is the most extensive Series 2 transformation they've ever done. It's not just a facelift, it's a redefinition of serene opulence. Under that massive hood lies the soul of a beast. A 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. It produces a staggering 563 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque. But don't let those numbers fool you. This car doesn't just drive, it glides. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.3 seconds. Whether you are in the city or on the open road, the Cullinan provides an unrivaled level of comfort that only a Rolls-Royce can offer. The exterior of the Series I has been evolved for a new generation. Look at those lines, more youthful, more personal. Rolls-Royce has realized that their owners are getting younger. The average age is now just 43, and in places like China, it's as low as 18. This shift in luxury culture means the Cullinan is now designed for those who want to drive themselves, not just be driven. It keeps its timeless elegance while looking sharper than ever. Step inside and you're in another world. Handcrafted artistry meets advanced technology. Every inch of this cabin is covered in the finest materials. It competes with the best of the best, the Bentley Bentayga, the Lamborghini Urus SE, and the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. But even in this elite company, the Cullinan stands alone. Exclusivity like this doesn't come cheap. Starting from around 400,000 euros, the 2026 Cullinan Series 2 is for those who accept nothing but the best. It is the benchmark of luxury SUVs. So, what do you think? Is the Series 2 worth the price? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ultra-luxury car reviews. See you in the next one. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan series. It is not just about transportation. It's about making a statement that resonates across the globe. For those who demand the pinnacle of automotive engineering, this SUV is the final answer. Every stitch in the leather, every veneer of the wood, and every whisper of the engine tells a story of perfection. In a world full of fast-moving trends, the Cullinan Series 2 stands as a timeless icon. Whether you're navigating the streets of Dubai or the hills of California, this car commands respect and admiration. It remains the undisputed king of luxury SUVs, setting a standard that others can only hope to follow. Thank you for joining us on this journey through absolute opulence. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Rolls-Royce, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exclusive content. The road to luxury never ends. See you in the next one.